Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn some basic thing of maths. So first of all, we'll learn the numbers, knowing numbers. First of all, we'll learn whole numbers. What is a whole number? So a whole number is a number starting from 0 is known as whole number. So whenever a number starts from 0, we say it a whole number. By the word itself, by the word whole itself, we are clear that something, it is been said whole in total. So whole means 0. Whenever a number starts from 0, we call it a whole number. Starting from 0 and it never ends. It starts, for example, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and it continues till infinity. So all these examples are known as whole number. So a whole number is a number which starts from 0. If someone asks you what is a whole number, you can say that a number starting from 0 is known as whole number. Now let's come to a natural number. So what is a natural number? By the word natural itself, we can assume that something in natural, it is known as a natural. It is a natural number. So by the word itself, we can say that 1 is a natural number. For example, in a class, if a teacher asks a student to count the number of the student, how will the student count it? Will he or she start from 0? No, definitely he or she will not start from 0. He or she will start from 1 itself. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Or else she would not start from 50, 49 because she don't know how many in total students are there. So natural means that number, a number starting from 1 is known as a natural number. Sorry for the spelling. So example 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 till infinity. It continues. So these are whole number and natural number. Next we learn even number. So next comes even number. A number divisible by 2. A number divisible by 2. जो नंबर 2 से डिविजिबल होता है उसे हम क्या बोलते हैं? इवन नंबर. एग्जाम्पल, with what can we divide, with what 2, with the help of 2, which number can be divided? For example, 2, 4. Is it 4 divisible by 2? 2 2s are 4. So like that itself it continues. So 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 7 8, 10, it continues till infinity. So we learned, first of all we learned whole number, natural number and an even number. After even number, what number comes? For example, odd number. So what is odd number? Now here even number, it is divisible by 2. Now here in odd number, odd means which doesn't has pair. Even means number having pair. So here odd number, a number not divisible by 2. A number not divisible by 2 is known as odd number. Example, which number are not divisible by 2? Let us say 1. From the beginning itself, let us take from natural number itself. So example 1. 1 is not divisible by 2. Now come next, what will be that? 2, is it divisible or not? It is divisible because 2 1s are 2. So it will be 3. 3 1s are 3. We cannot divide 3 by 2. So 5, again comes 5. Again comes 7. It continues till it never ends, till infinite. So next we will learn integer. What is integer? all the positive and negative number in the number line is known as integers. See, I have plotted a number line. Integers number line. So here we can see with the help of this number line, we can know what number will be there in integers. All the values from 0 itself, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 till infinity, as well as all the positive, all the negative values. For example, -1, -2, -3, -4, it will continue till infinity. All such numbers are known as integers. Whenever you find equation for integer, you can write all this number, any number from these are known as integer. So after integer, we'll come to a prime number. Now, what are prime numbers? Here, I have already given you a number divisible by 1 or by itself. Self number is known as prime number. So, what do you mean by 1 and by itself? 1 means it will be divisible by 1 and the number same itself, the number itself. Example, 2. See, 2 is divisible by 1 and by itself. Example, 2 ones are 1, 2s are 2 and 2 ones are 2. With other number, it cannot be divisible now. So, it is a prime number. But we say it also a co-prime number. So, 3. See here, 3. 3 is also a prime number. How can we say 3 a prime number? Because it also has only 2 factors, 1 and 3 itself. So come next, 5. 5 is also divisible by only 1 and by itself. It will not be divisible by other number. So same, it continues with 7 also. So now come to 9. So, is it 9 a prime number? Can we say 9 a prime number? Let us see. 9. 9 is divisible by 1, which we have mentioned here. 1 9s are 9. Again, by itself. 9 1s are 9. So, it is divisible by 1. Again, it is divisible by itself also. Now, to be a prime number, it should have only these 2 properties. It should have only these 2 properties. More than these properties is not a prime number. So, is it not 9 is divisible by other number also? So, let us see. 9. It is divisible by 3. 3 3s are 9. So, can we say 9 is a prime number? No, definitely we cannot say, because it is having another factor also. But in case of prime number, to clarify a number to be a prime number, we have to find only 2 factors. More than 2 factors are not a prime number. So, and again, it is been mentioned also which factor it should hold. It should hold only the factor 1 and the number itself, 1 or itself. Then only it will be said to be a prime number. It continues like this itself. 11. 11 is also a prime number because it has only 2 factors and it is 1 and 11 itself, not other factors. So come to 13. 13 also has only 2 factors. Now come to 15. 15. Thus 15 has only 2 factors? No, definitely it has more factors, such as 3. 3 5s are 15. Again, 5 is also a factor of 15. So we cannot say 15 is a prime number. So it continues. So next comes rational number. So what is a rational number? So a number in P by Q form where Q is not equal to 0 is known as rational number. So Example, let us see. Example 2 by 5. So 2 by 5 is a rational number. Whenever a number is in P by Q form, we call it a rational number where Q should not be 0. Q means here in place of this Q, it should not be a 0. Here we cannot put 0. If we put 0 here, then this will not be said to be a rational number. So to clarify that it is to a rational number, to clarify a number to be a rational, there should not be 0 in the denominator. So we call up one as a numerator and down one as a denominator. So denominator should not be 0. For example, if I write 2 by 0, so can we say that it is a rational number? No, definitely we cannot say, because in the property itself, in a definition itself, it is been mentioned that Q should not be 0. So here, if I have put 2 by 0, that means it is not a rational number. So is 0 a rational number? Can you say 0 is a rational number? Yeah, definitely we can say. Why? Because P, here in the definition, it is not been mentioned for P. It is not been said that P not equals to 0. Only Q not equals to 0. So can't we write 0 by 1? So 0 by 1 is a rational number. Is a rational number. Any number from integers that I have taught you before itself. So for example, you can take all the numbers positive as well as negative. Example 2 by 5 minus 3 by 2 4 by 5 minus 2 by minus 3 minus 6 by minus 4 minus 3 by minus 7, whatever. You can take 0 by 8, 3 by 7, whatever number you take, these all are rational number. But it should not be 0 in denominator. Whenever you see 0 in denominator, know that that is not a rational number. But if you see 0 in the numerator, upper side in the place of P, then you can say that it is a rational number, because in the definition itself, it has been clarified that only Q should not be 0. It has not mentioned for P. If P is 0, then it can be a rational number. But if Q is 0, then it is not a rational number. So next, let's come to consecutive numbers. What is a consecutive number? A number following each other continuously in order is known as consecutive numbers. For example, x. Let's assume x as a number. X equals to 5. Let us assume x as 5. So x plus 1, x plus 2, x plus 3, x plus 4, x plus 5, it continues in order. So we call it a consecutive numbers. For example, let's assume x as a 5. So next number, x plus 1. So it will be 5 plus 1. It will be 6. Now next third number, x plus 2. So value of x is 5. 5 plus 2 will be 7. So in each case, it is increasing continuously by 1. So difference between every two number will be 1. For example, first number is 5 and second is 6. So difference between these two will be 1. Again, if we take this second and third one, what will be the difference? 7 minus 6 will be 1. So it is in a continuous form, and it is in a order also. So we can call these as a consecutive numbers. So what are consecutive numbers? A number following each other continuously in order is known as consecutive numbers. X, we have assumed X as a number, beginning number, because it is we cannot mention any number before itself, so we have assumed X as a number. Second, it will increase by 1 in a continuous form. It should be in an increasing form, so X plus 1. So in order will be, we have taken an example 6. If we take X as a 5, then X plus 1 will be 6. Definitely X plus 2 will be 7. So it is continuing 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It continues. So such kind of numbers we call consecutive numbers. Thank you.